Hello and welcome to my channel Nails for Sanam. Today in this video I'm going to share with you a lipstick swatch. This is from again Wet n Wild, and this is a very pretty shade, and it is called dark wine. And here you can see the swatch on my skin tone, and you can also check out my previous video that you see the other swatch and hear how it looks on the different skin tones. And this is how it's gonna look like on my skin tone, which is a medium brown, and it is very pigmented, silk finish, and very hydrating at the same time. And if you compare to the high-end lipsticks, I have listed the dupes of those here. Not much of a difference in the quality and the color, but the prices are huge difference. So check out the description box for more information. Thank you for watching.